Hey guys, good morning. So I brought you all along with me to the Container Store. If you've never been to the Container Store, it has like pretty much like stuff for your kitchen, for your rooms, for your office, for your closets, pretty much anything that you need to help you stay organized. And I'm gonna go ahead and share with you and show you what I'll be buying today. And so let's go. And I'm with my son again. He doesn't want to be in the video. He's still sleepy. Okay, you ready? Let's go. I'm trying to see where the things are. This is a kitchen stuff.
Kitchen.
Let me show this.
Oh.
Show this right here.
Oh, same thing.
And show this.
Easy. Where?
Okay, you can stop over. Thank you. How does this mirror come out? Oh, it turns. And they're like the velvet kind. They come in different colors, black, khaki, and like a, oh, it's also those dark gray ones too. Is it touchscreen? Alright, all done with the shopping, and let me see the bag, Bubba. No, let me see it. Well, let me show it. Let me see it. Let me carry it.
I want to carry it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna show it real quick. And they give you this big old bag. Alright, let's go. We gotta meet Dad at Sam's. I have to go grocery shopping and stock up on my waters because my son will be going back to school on Monday. So we have to stock up on like fruits and his snacks. Saving the turtles? Woo! It's freaking hot, guys. Yesterday it was 106 and it felt like, let me see. My son's gonna put the bag in the trunk. Yesterday it felt like 106, but it was 101 degrees. And all right, let me turn on the AC. Hey guys, all right, I'm back home and I'm gonna share with you what I ended up picking up at the Container Store. Again, if you haven't been to the Container Store, you really need to check it out because they do have like a lot of things to help you stay organized and just, you know, better for your life. What? Better for your life? Just better. You get the point. Okay. So I'm just taking everything out the bag and I'm going to start off by showing you this blue lunchbox that you see here. That one's going to be for Babe for his lunch to take to work. And then I picked up these Plink sink balls for the, what is it? For the sink. And then this mop and broom organizer, which I'm going to have Babe install in the pantry room. And then this cereal box also. And I did pick up this H2O water jug thing for my son's room. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you also. This one is for the drawers. It's like a drawer compartment organizer. And you can build it up to however big you want it or small. And then I also got this jewelry tray holder, which has like a velvet padding on the bottom. And all right, I know it says TMI, but this is the end result of how my undergarments look. I know, TMI, right? All right, back to the video. All right, so we came to Sam's to get all our supplies that we need. And Babe wants to look at electronics. And then after this, we're gonna go get some food. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. Hey, there's me. Is it taking a picture? Look at the quality of it night out.
So that's in here.
Huh?
That's in here. Because ours are 4K too, but it has to be wired. These are
I'm
wireless.
gonna do my intro here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
See, these say wireless. Where's the wired ones?
Look how cool it looks. That's good, thank you. Hey guys, so we just left Olive Garden and it's, oh, I just hit my hat. It's Wednesday and we're not normal people. Oh, Tuesday, I don't even know what day it is. We go out to eat during the week, like during lunch, because we hate going out on the weekends when it's, yeah, because everybody's there. So yeah, Babe treated me out today to just a date night lunch. Oh, it's not even nighttime. Just me and him.
It's 4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock. Yeah, but we've been out since what, 2?
No one.
And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here because my light turned green and I'm about to start going. Okay, bye.